Good evening, guys. This is Friday, May 8th, 5 p.m. US stock market review for the week. As as you can see on Friday, May 8th, the stock market went up by 455 points, and last Friday it was 23,723, so almost 600 to 700 points up. As you can see, 455 points up. The lowest has been 18,213 and highest has been 29,568. So it's kind of right in the middle, but it can go down again back to 18,000 in case we don't see any good news next 2 to 3 weeks. So be careful. And here's the Dow 30 stocks. Almost every stock up. Apple up by $6, Home Depot 5, Caterpillar, Boeing, Procter and Gamble. Walt Disney came with the earnings this week, not good earnings, but still stock up by $3.59. Of course, oil companies like Chevron, ExxonMobil also trying to come back. And then we still have something like Johnson & Johnson and Microsoft. The pharmaceutical industry, of course, right now looking really good to invest. So some of the big news this week, stocks are still going up despite coronavirus dates continuing. Almost 70,000 people have died in US now. 25 million US citizens have filed for bankruptcy. And only the technological stocks have been going up. The mid cap and the small cap stocks still haven't gone up. They have gone up, but not that much compared to Apple, Google, Facebook, Tesla, Microsoft, and so on. So my advice would be wait and watch. As the markets are likely to go down, it will keep going up and down. So when it goes up, keep selling. Goes down, keep buying. Try to book the profit. Roku, Beyond Meat, and PayPal had good earnings this week. Disney was a disappointment. Tesla CEO Elon Musk on Friday threatened to quit California factory over the lockdown. And then Apple and Starbucks are opening their stores in next 2 to 3 weeks. Disney parks are opening in China on Monday. And then a lot of cloud companies are up, like Salesforce.com in this week. So these are some of the earnings coming up next week. Under Armour, don't expect too much. Company's already going underwater. Cisco, I expect some good news. Sony, Marriott, Costco. Costco earnings are in 3 weeks. And then Nvidia earnings are in 2 weeks. So those are the two big earnings. And then I would say try to buy Beyond Meat, Roku, and Apple whenever a stock goes down. And there are a couple of other stocks like biotech stock mRNA, which are working on the COVID-19 vaccine. And Chipotle stock went up on Friday by almost $7 to $8. And these are some of the other stocks which are not in the news, but they are making good money. And here's the list. They are part of Russell 1000. So you have SCRV, UI, PTEN, PBF, MD, Six Flags. Of course, it's closed right now, but still stock went little up. Herbalife, Moderna, which I already mentioned, mRNA. So there are a lot of stocks. If you just Google Russell 1000 components, you will see the whole list of stocks. And I will continue to provide more stocks like this on my WhatsApp group.